Hi, my name is Kelly Archie, and today I will be doing a quick tutorial on how to embed Google Drive content into your website. So here I have a basic template for my website. It's got a header with a title, image icon, and a style sheet. The body just has a content div and a header div, with the header being brought in through JavaScript. And this is what it looks like, pretty basic, just a background, my header, and just waiting for content to be filled in. So I have two documents that I'm going to embed. First, a simple text document. It's got a little bit of formatting with the title and a cute little picture of a piglet. And then down here I have some lorem ipsum, but I use the bacon ipsum. And if you're not familiar, this just generates random text to fill in your space so you can see what it looks like without actually having to come up with content. Basically, to embed this, you just go to File, Publish to the Web, and you can publish it as a link or actually embed it as an iframe. So the link, obviously the person's going to have to click on it and then go to Google Docs to view your file, but the embed will just show it right there. So I'm going to click that one, click OK, and then you just have this iframe with a link to your document on Google Docs. So I'm just going to copy that, and then down here where content goes here, I'm going to put my content and then save that. And I'm going to go back to my website and refresh a couple times, and there's my iframe. Really quick, just to make it look a little bit better because it's all squished up in there. And go back here and do width equals 100% and height equals 800. And you can play around with these values. This is just what I've used before that I think looks nice. So I'm going to refresh, and there it is. It's right there and looks pretty good. Of course, you got this frame going on here. You could probably play around with it with style sheets, but it's pretty straightforward, just your document right there. And the good thing about this is you can go in and change it. Let's add a cool title, make that a little bit bigger, 4860. Just going to add a little bit more text here. And because Google Docs saves automatically, I'll just have to refresh a couple times before I see the changes up here. There we go. So my new title is there and Hello World is there. So you can change things as you go, and it'll automatically upload directly to your website. I will embed a Google presentation into my website. And the idea for this is, if you've ever gone to a website where they have a rotating carousel which shows updates or new products, and then you click on the box, the carousel, and it'll automatically take you to what that product is or what that update is. So I have a presentation here with 3 different slides with 3 different animals, and these 2 have links attached to them, but I'm going to attach a link to this image. So click the image and make sure it has this blue box around it with these blue little squares, and then insert link, and then I'm just going to copy my link into here and apply. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to add a little text to one of these slides. Make this cool font and a little bit bigger. And again, File, Publish to Web, and you have the same options, link or embed. But you also have a couple other options where you can change how fast the slides progress. You can start it automatically and restart it when the slideshow's over, so it'll constantly run through and through. Oh, you know what? I did this before, so I ran through this one time already, so the publish button, I can't click it because technically it's already published. but I'm going to copy that and then go back to my website and take out this iframe with the document that we did before, and then paste the slideshow code into here. And it has the source that links back to Google Documents to show to the slideshow. And you also have a couple other things like the border for the show, width and height, so you can play around with that, and also a couple full screen options here. So I'm going to save that, go back to my website, refresh a couple times, and there's my slideshow, and it automatically rotates every 5 seconds. Did I change it to 5? Oh, it's set to 3 seconds, which I thought it was a little bit fast, but you can play around with it. And you can pause the show, play it, go to full screen. And if I click on this, it'll take me to my GOAT link, which I provided. But one thing to consider, where I type this text here, this text is over the picture, so technically it's over the hyperlink to go to my pig link, which is IMDb for Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. So you might want to write the text on the image before importing it, because you might run into issues later. And again, I can change this and refresh it a couple times, and changes are updated automatically. So that's my presentation. If you have any questions, you can email me at kellyarchiedev@gmail.com. And I hope you enjoyed this show.